So mag-pollinate mi sa among calamansi. Now, Yummy, look, this is what you're gonna do. See this? This is the pollen.
Can I smell it?
And then there's flowers. We're gonna, no, let me show you. Hold on. So, there's flower dire. Among tap ning old toothbrush to get all the pollen out. And then there's the pollen. We're gonna put it here on the other plant. You gotta mix it up. That's how you do it. Just tap the flowers. Just tap the flowers and the pollen is gonna transfer. I think we only have 2 flowers. There's some old flowers here. I mean, you can see there's some small. This one, see, there's another one. But this is kind of dead.
Mommy, there's a box.
Where? Just squish it, Yummy. So, namunga ng amo ang calamansi. Daghan na siya bunga.
Don't bite me if I squish the old one.
So, na yung mga nangahulog sa ubos. Wala may tubo. Here, you wanna try it? Ay, butang diri ah. Yeah, it's good. I think it's good. And Abe's wanna try.
I'll get some.
Hey, Abe. You tap the toothbrush to the flower sa bulak.
What?
The bulak here, the bulak.
Can I eat something? I'm hungry. I'm starving.
You starving? What do you wanna eat?
Pancakes.
Good job, Abe.
I want to try that one.
There's only 2 flowers, Abe. The others already died. That's good, Abe. Come on, let's make some pancakes. Let's put it back. So, maunang na siya. Malang ipakita among calamansi. We're gonna harvest it soon. So, let's put it back in the sun. So, this is just an indoor calamansi kay init kay sa gawas. Murag malantas siya kung ako igawas mo. We kept it inside. So, dito lang niya siya sa balay. So, napod ko yung fertilizer. When I applied this fertilizer, it started blooming. This is what I use as a fertilizer. It's very stinky. Bawa siya kayo, pero niga naman noon siya. So, I just fertilize it like once every 2 months. So, that's all.